Hey, this is another Meal Master 9 video coming with you live. I had made slime. So gooey. It's so gooey! This slime is like so gooey, boy. Look at this. Oh my. Wow. Now, Meal Masters, if you want to know how to make slime, you need some borax, glue, and if you want to make it coloring, you either need some paint or some food coloring, and that's it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some borax. You're gonna get some glue and some. I use paint. So get some glue with some paint and put it in like a cup like this, and then you stir it, right? I stirred it, and then get some borax and cornstarch and water and mix that up, and then put it together, and then just keep stirring, and then it'll turn out right, like this. Okay, that was my exclusive amount master. So yeah.